In order to eliminate the hidden trouble of electrical appliances and protect our personal safety, we need to regularly detect leakage protection. Click Sassin Smart app. Click Gateways on the home page. Click on the right side of a gateway device to access the Gateway Device Control page. Click on the middle section of the gateway page to view the parameter interface for the gateway device. Click the Leakage Self-Inspection to conduct test on the interface detail. Click Automatic Detection. Set up automatic date and time of self-inspection to conduct regular test monthly. Click Start to start the test. If the leakage protector is in normal working condition, it will trip immediately. If there is no trip, it means that leakage protector failure, we need to replace it immediately.